The more you expose your vulnerabilities, the more susceptible you become to potential harm. While it doesn't always manifest, it's unfortunately common for some individuals to derive pleasure from witnessing your suffering or even exacerbating it. This sadistic and envious behavior can hinder personal growth across various aspects of life, whether it be in professional settings, among friends, or within family dynamics. Therefore, mastering the art of concealing your weaknesses can paradoxically strengthen you. Picture yourself as a resilient tree amidst a storm. While the leaves may flutter and branches sway, the trunk remains steadfastly rooted in the earth. This silent resilience is what we aim to cultivate here. Learning to weather the storm without letting it soak you with rain or knock you down with wind is key. By appearing unfazed by external and internal challenges, you become the architect of your destiny, firm, strong, and serene amidst chaos. In this discourse, we delve into 18 Stoic principles espoused by the great philosopher Epictetus, inviting you to embark on a journey of self-discovery where strength emanates not from the clamor of thunder, but from the serene silence that illuminates the path. Principle 1. Listen. Epictetus urges us to listen twice as much as we speak, recognizing the wisdom in learning from others rather than incessantly voicing our own thoughts. Principle 2. Expect the worst. Anticipating adversity allows us to develop coping strategies, freeing ourselves from the perpetual anxiety of what might come. Principle 3. Embrace failure. Viewing failure as a stepping stone rather than a setback is essential for growth, as it enables us to refine ourselves through trial and error. Principle 4. Beware of fortune. The acquisition of wealth often brings unforeseen consequences, leading to a potential moral decline. Principle 5. Diversify hopes. Rather than pinning all aspirations on a single dream, Epictetus advises pursuing multiple avenues of fulfillment to enhance chances of success. Principle 6. Acknowledge death. Awareness of mortality encourages a realistic evaluation of life's priorities and the utilization of time. Principle 7. Find wealth in contentment. True wealth lies not in material possessions but in a spirit content with what it has achieved. Principle 8. Embrace humility. Genuine learning begins with acknowledging our ignorance, fostering a childlike curiosity and openness to knowledge. Principle 9. Reject guilt. Guilt serves no constructive purpose and should be relinquished in favor of responsibility and growth. Principle 10. Form alliances. Wisely surrounding oneself with positive influences fosters personal growth and resilience, while distancing from negativity is essential for well-being. Principle 11. Control reactions. Our reactions to life's challenges shape our destiny, highlighting the importance of maintaining composure and resilience in the face of adversity. Principle 12. Fulfill duties. Fulfilling one's obligations without expectation of praise is a fundamental aspect of integrity and self-respect. Principle 13. Ignore hatred. Refusing to engage with hatred or criticism allows one to rise above negativity and maintain focus on personal growth. Principle 14. Embrace simplicity. Simplicity offers freedom from the burdens of materialism, allowing one to focus on what truly matters in life. Principle 15. Guard your life. Allowing others to dictate our emotions relinquishes control over our own lives, emphasizing the importance of emotional resilience and self-mastery. Principle 16. Cherish friendship. True wealth lies in genuine friendships, which offer support and companionship through life's trials. Principle 17. Extract value from adversity. Every challenge presents an opportunity for growth and learning, highlighting the importance of resilience and adaptability. Principle 18. Let go of the uncontrollable. Focusing on what we can control fosters peace of mind and resilience, allowing us to navigate life's uncertainties with grace and fortitude. In embracing these Stoic principles, we equip ourselves with the tools to navigate life's challenges with wisdom, resilience, and grace. May these teachings serve as a beacon of strength and guidance on your journey of self-discovery and personal growth.